What's up, Bold Moves family? It's your girl KJ, and I'm back with another video. Now today, we're going to be doing a quick and easy yet so filling and delicious beef and broccoli recipe. Oh, you want to stay tuned for this. Now let's get into it.
One and a two and a three and a four. One and a two and a three.
Alright, so first I've marinated this flank beef, which my husband cut from a tenderloin, in Worcestershire sauce, sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, soy sauce, garlic, and black pepper. I may add more seasonings as we go along, but it's really not needed because the seasonings are mainly in the marinades. Also later on, I'll show you what's needed to make the sauce for this beef and broccoli. Stay tuned. Alright, so now we're going to brown the meat. At this point, just brown the meat. We'll finish it later once we cook it with the veggies. Alright, so at this point, I've removed the meat and now we're going to get started on the veggies and the sauce. So I used broccoli florets and I decided to add some carrots because why not? You can make this meal how you like, add as many veggies as your soul tells you. Here are the ingredients you'll need for your sauce. You'll need a half a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. At first, when you mix those ingredients together, it will have a watery consistency, but trust the process. Once you mix this in with the meat and veggies, the heat will thicken that sauce. Now I've placed everything back in my wok to simmer. Keep in mind, you can use whatever skillet you have on hand, but at this point, I'm going to let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until everything is tender. And there you have it. Simple, easy, filling, yet so delicious beef and broccoli. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, comment your request below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you haven't. Subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload any new content. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, we keep it moving. We keep it moving. Hey.
We keep it moving. We keep it moving.